Hey everyone, I usually don't do videos with fixing things in my car, but I searched everywhere on YouTube for something like this and couldn't figure it out. So this is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Um, and what happened was we had our handle brake, and it took a while to figure out how to get the thing out. I mean, it looked like it could come out. If you come over to the other side and look at the end's the one that's already in, you can tell it looks like it can come out, and it can. It's just knowing what it looks like. This is the old one, and I've taken off the cover, but you can see where it broke there, right there on top. It broke, so it wouldn't open the door anymore. So what you want to look for, and this once you see how it comes out, it's really easy. Is this fits in just like this, and it has two clips on top. You can see we kind of bent one pulling it out, and then on the bottom are just these things. So really all you have to do is there's a screw in the back of this, and that has a plate cover. That's easy, it comes out. And then if you start at this side here, that's the one we started at, and get this one loose and then get that one, it'll come out pretty easily. So hopefully that will help. Make sure to keep the front cover to it. When we ordered the new part, it only came with the back piece, and it comes off. So there's these two screws here that you can see. It comes off and you put it on the new piece. So hopefully that will help someone that has the same issue we did. Just as a side note, when we were looking up vehicles, or rather looking up the part for this, it showed as this particular part would fit all the way from 2008 up through there last year, which I think was 2017. So I don't know if it'll work for all of them, but I'm betting for most of them, for most years from 2008 to 2016, this is probably how it works. Thanks.